Yes, that's my room, baby.
भाई ये तो शुरू होते ही खत्म हो गया यार.
And right now, I will give you a quick tour of my room.
Okay.
As you can see, the first thing which you will look, I have a chair and I have, what do you call this, mirror, and this is my stuff, ignore it. And then, here is the best part, it's my bed. And then this, look at this beautiful view. I have this thing, I don't know what it is, like a fish net something. And then a cute little house. And after this, if you look more, I have the wall password, the room password, which is this. So whenever you come here, the house is in Flushing Main Street and it's in New York. So I think it's not expensive, not cheap, but it's like affordable. This is my bathroom. So you can see this toilet. It's a small place for the shower, but convenient, it's okay. This is the bath, what do you say, commode. And this is the basin. So this is how it looks. And I will tell you the price at the end, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. And after that, if you look here, so I have the heater here. And then this is my hair dryer, which is like they gave me without any charges, so it's already included in the room. Here is the dustbin. We have a power connector, and later on we have a sofa, cute little sofa, cute little pillow just to sit on. And also the best thing about this room is I have this window. Oh, it's locked. The gallery is so beautiful. Can you see the view from the gallery? I think so, they are connected, the next rooms. See, a cute little chair. And see the view.